everyone, welcome back to Drive Time DIY. This is Ravi here. Today we're gonna give my 2022 Subaru WRX an upgrade by installing a front lip. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the lip. I got all these hardware. I recommend doing this on a warm sunny day, so make sure you have everything, and also make sure you give your car a wash if necessary to remove any dirt or debris under the car, and also give it a clean wipe so that you don't have any debris before the installation. So let's get started. So once we are under the car, near the driver's side, there's one clip here at the end of the bumper, and there's one more right in front of it. So the lip already has holes to line up with these holes, and so these clips can also go right in. So you can just remove these clips here first, and same on the right side as well, and fit the bumper temporarily to see the fitting. So this is how it looks after you put the two clips on both ends in. One is this and the other one is this. So if you see down here on the bumper, there's already markings where drilling is required for every hole. There's the mark here, and yeah, there's a mark for every hole. I think except for this one here, there's no marking, and the one back here, same on the other side. We're gonna have to put a mark to see where we need to make a hole, drill a hole. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use the marking tool to make a mark on the bumper where I need to drill the hole. I'm gonna do it on both sides, just like that. I made markings like this using the marking tool based on the holes present on the lip, so that I know I shouldn't drill outside this part. I should only drill within the boundary for the lip to line up properly. I did the same on the other side as well. So the holes are needed to be drilled at these markings all around the bumper, and we are given the well nuts that are 9 mm in diameter. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use a smaller drill bit first. This is the 1/4 inch one, and then I'm gonna use the 3/8 later. So while drilling the hole, just make sure you're not drilling too fast, and make sure you drill slowly to avoid bumper damage. So now I'm enlarging the hole by using the 3/8 inch bit. So after drilling the holes, use the provided well nuts and insert these in here. Only the front 3 holes use the well nuts. At the holes drilled at the edge of the bumper here, use the spring nuts provided and just clip it on the bumper at the hole. Do this on both ends. Once you're done lining up the spoiler with the OEM bumper clips again, what you're gonna have to do is use this screw here with the long thread and put it in here. Tighten it. We're gonna come back and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver later, but do this the other side, do the same on the other side. And wherever you install the well nuts, use the bolt provided with the washer and install the bolt in that well nut. And in these holes here, use the short clips, the shortest ones provided. Alright guys, this is how we end the installation. Just make sure you tighten all the screws and bolts after you put the lip on the bumper. And thanks for watching. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thank you.